Today we're going to review the app called iMindMap for kids. This app supports literacy and encourages creative thinking. The students can create colorful iMindMaps that tell stories, express their thoughts, and develop big ideas. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you've downloaded the app from self-service. Here are a few examples that you can create using the app. So let's get started. We want to create a new mind map. You're going to want to click on the plus button that says New. The first thing we're going to want to do is select an image to start with. Once you've chosen your image, you can click on it. So I've picked the Hello, my name is. Now it's time to type in the information. I'm going to put my name. Then I'm going to click the check mark. Once I've clicked the check mark, my name is in the box. Now it's time to add the branches. I need to pick a shape. Once I've chosen my shape, I can write the topic, then making sure I click the green check mark. Once I've clicked that green check mark, the word populates in the box. Now I'm ready for my next step. I'm going to pick my branch style. Now I'm going to add my image. I'm going to continue doing this until I'm done adding to this box. I'm going to select the image. Then I'm selecting emoji, going into the emoji and picking the one that I want. And I continue. Now this is complete, I'm on to my next branch. I need to choose my shape. I'm going to type in my category, making sure I click that green check mark button. Now I'm ready to add the branches. I'm going to click on the images again. I'm going to click on emoji, and I chose the donut emoji. You add another branch. Now it's time to add another branch. I chose my shape and now I'm putting in my title, making sure I check it off. Now I'm ready to add the branch. I've added my favorite animals. Now I'm ready to add my last category. I create that branch. I choose my shape. I need to create my title. My category is going to be favorite sports. I've added a branch to that. I'm going to continue adding pictures. Now I'm finished with my mind map. Hope you have fun making yours.